Right, we've got Xavier on the camera. Woke up, I don't know, does that look big to you? I don't know what I've done, but the doctor reckons I've done some damage, so he put me in a sling. Never wearing a sling. We've got the build to do. We've got Davo fitting these rear intakes. One side's done, eh, Dave?
Yeah, it's already fitting, but I need to glue it.
All right, so we're doing a final fit off. We're going through, we're going to get this done. We're going to be ready for this show. Motor and Masterpieces in Melbourne. We're going to get this car down there tomorrow. So if you want to see an Outlaw build that's happened in a week's time, come check it out. Get on board, Dirty Dog Outlaws, out. All right, so basically what we're doing here, guys, is we're just setting in this rear intake vent, and Davo's just setting in place, bit of masking tape to hold it on. We've got some fast dry adhesive. He's already done this side over here, you can see that. And yeah, we're just ticking these jobs off.
Outlaw to-do list. Done. What are you going to do then?
Oh,
What are you going to do today? That's a long list.
I don't know.
All right. Okay, lot to get on with. Crack on, boys. There's a lot to do. Cool. What's happened?
All right, so we're doing the fuel tank adjustment on the cap, just to have it sitting nice with the body. And what's happened is something's clicked in, moved a little bit, and now it's stuck. Key's stuck in there. Let's get the grinder.
Hang on. How many keys we got?
One key.
Oh, shit.
Hey, so check this. This is what I do for my mates, yeah? You know what these are?
I'll behave.
Ha ha ha. There you are, bud.
Oh, I just got the look then. Give me the look again.
Yeah, I want to film it. Especially when the key snaps off.
Do not need a snap key hours before we're about to leave.
All right, so I just wanted to talk a little bit about parts. So I keep on going on about parts that are in the kit and stuff, and it even happens to us. So we've ordered a whole bunch of parts months ago from the States to come here. It hasn't arrived. So our customers, a few of our customers are waiting on the final trim kit and, you know, like the lights and stuff. It's not holding them up, but I just want to show you, even we're waiting for it. So we're going we need a number plate light here, okay? That number plate light hasn't arrived. It was meant to arrive with everybody else's. It hasn't arrived. So I'm putting this Dickie one on. It's just a little blackout number plate light. It's going to get us out of trouble, make the car drivable. But what are we going to do with Dirty Dogs? We're making our own now. So we can see this is the internal mechanism of the number plate light. Dave manufactures this in-house. This is all in-house. This is not made in China, nothing. This is made on the back bench, okay? We're going to be doing our own number plate lights. So whoever's been, because they're continually out of stock, you can't get them, they rust, they do all sorts of, you've seen them corrode, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be supplying them very soon. Dirty Dog Outlaws will have the up and the down shining 356 number plate light made here, Phillip Island, Australia.
Well, what's the body of it going to be made of?
Okay, so we've got the prototype here. So this is just a roughie that we've made. Okay, so you can see that'll be the outer casing. Then we're going to have the internal light, and then the two lights on the shine down lights on the bottom. Okay, it's got to be made of fiberglass, so it's not going to rust. If you want to paint it, if you want to chrome it, like with a paintable chrome, whatever, you can do. And then you can see that all mounts in there with the lights. It's going to look exactly as what you get, except it's not going to be steel, so it's not going to corrode.
Yeah.
Now,
Well, they're not chromed brilliantly, are they? They, you know.
like, and to pay $700 for one of these,
Yeah.
right, Aussie, yeah, and then have to wait months and months. You got it off.
Oh.
Well done, Davo. You got it off.
He's got to get the key out
That's
first.
in real time.
Yeah,
Hey, right, let's go and get a key cut, shall we?
Okay, so I just wanted to
Yeah.
talk about that.
No,
So that's coming soon. The prototype's there. We've made these. This works. And have a look. It's not junk, man. It's not. It's proper. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to show that. So the light on the back is going to look a bit dicky.
Yeah.
But I don't care because it's an Outlaw. Yeah.
Oh, that's better. Yeah. Anyway, by the way, come down here and look at this. Look at this angle here.
On what?
What are you talking about?
Look at the rear lights.
Oh yeah.
See them?
Yeah.
They just come down. The inner screw needs to come down 5 mil.
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't the reaction we were after, was it?
All this sort of shit, boys, nothing scares us. Just imagine what we've been through to get to this point. These little tweaks and shit, it's comes with the build. There's always going to be something, oh, this is a little bit off, that's a bit off. I've got to go find this to cover that. It's always going to happen, right? And
I could see that earlier.
and we can keep on picking
I
stuff.
wasn't saying that.
But it's your job to do it. Still sitting proud up here.
I don't know what I can do with it. Maybe once you bowl it down, it should pull in.
All right, yeah.
Mighty.
What are you doing?
All right. What we're doing here is we're putting some vinyl on the windscreen. So what we
At
do,
the base of the screen.
Yeah. So on the windscreen, because we've made this into a speedster look, we've squatted it. Remember I said I brought it up by 100 mil to give you that squatted screen look, but it's still retaining MGF or MR2 screen. Well, now we don't want to be able to see through into the bonnet or see through to the lights and all of that underneath. So what do? We're going to put a piece of black vinyl in here and just black that bottom of the screen out,
Yeah,
so
so-
you can't see through.
So essentially, yeah. So the new body extends up over the top of the dash there, and then to stop looking into underneath the bonnet, then we're going to have that bit of vinyl. Okay, gotcha.
All right, you understand why we're doing that?
Yeah, I do.
Rick, can I do a quick introduction, please? It's important to me, yeah? So the guys that did some real special work on this car, they got to be recognised. And Rick, he's the guy that painted this, and you've seen the paint job on that, and this blows the blue one out of the water, like unbelievable.
Oh,
You know,
it's
don't
all-
get me
it's
wrong,
all
I'm proud
dusty
of that.
at the moment, yeah.
I'm proud of that blue one, yeah.
Yeah.
But this here has got, what is it? A 3-layer.
3-layer pearl, gold pearl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And oh, you've seen it in the sun, it just pops. The consistency, what freaks me out, he's blind, right?
It's consistency.
But he's got the consistency right here, excuse my language, but he's got, from start to the back, it's not that, it's,
No variant.
yeah, why? How do you do it?
Takes time and practice.
Years
time
of
and
experience.
practice. And years of experience. Many
Yeah.
years of experience.
And so I'm so proud of this car. And just a quick big thank you to Rick. He's the one that inspired me to go to his shop there and get it done. And then he said we're going to do an amazing job, and he knocked it out of the park.
And
Thank you, man.
Killer car, mate. Killer.
And Rick,
Yep.
we will be coming to see your shop at some point soon.
I hope so, one day.
Yes.
I'll get you there.
Yeah, all right. And believe me, it's going to be something to blow your minds away at his
Oh,
place,
yeah.
I can assure you.
Hey, did you see that we put the door cards in last night? Well, I did. Davo stayed back.
What?
Yeah, unheard of, man.
Unheard of.
Try and get it as close as you can to the screen. I'm going to have to go on your side. Because I've got to get it to slide in under the bonnet.
Yeah.
Just so that it covers them.
Perfect.
This takes ages, it's tedious, and he just does it.
Yeah, I'm going to say.
And he's a freak, man. And you know that, his race car.
Yeah.
They did that, like I go there a bit and we talk and stuff. And Georgia, his missus, what a woman, yeah. She's one of those women that is a can-do woman. She's worked in the car industry with windscreens and doing all this other stuff. Unbelievable, yeah.
Panel beating, painting.
Now, but I've gone away from the actual story I want to say. They did it together. She told me they did the
Hang
whole
on.
stickers
Go,
on the.
Go in there, because I don't know why you're blowing out big time.
All right, so they did the stickers on the race car,
Yeah.
and you've seen that race car.
Yeah,
They did
yeah.
it all, and that's what
Yeah.
you learn this stuff by doing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a freak. Done it, man. 1 week till today was that video, yeah? That was 1 week. I moved heaven and earth to get this done. And to everybody that's helped, you know who you are. Thank you so much. Babe, we did it, mate.
You glad I made you do it?
I'm glad, mate. I'm glad. Watch my arm, it's broken.
Oh shit, sorry. Yeah.
I'm so grateful, mate. I'm so grateful. I'm glad we did it, man. It's the best one yet, no doubt. Absolutely no doubt. And you were right about the black.
I'm always right, mate. Well, not always, but
Absolutely stunning. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. So we call the other one the Outlaw Speedster, and we call the Dingo, and we got the Bulldog. I thought it fitting. A great Australian story about a great Australian dog, Red Dog. So I've named this car Red Dog. It's got a special place in my heart. I love dogs. We've got Daisy, that the whole company's name behind, Dirty Dog Outlaws. She was dirty with me, covered in dust when we built this thing. So I think it's fitting.
absolutely. One of the great Australian films.
What do you think, Davo? Come up all right?
I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Now we just got to get it up there.
Thanks to everyone. Out.